So, you think your WhatsApp is safe because your phone has a password? Think again. Hackers can still take over your account unless you do one simple step: two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Adds an extra lock on your WhatsApp. Even if someone steals your SIM or guesses your password, they can't get in without your secret PIN. Never share your WhatsApp verification or two-step verification code with anyone, not even if they say it's for a meeting or to fix your account. Once you share it, you've basically handed them your WhatsApp. Keep your code private, always. Let me show you how to set it up. First, you open your WhatsApp. Tap on Settings, which is usually at the bottom right. Go to Accounts. Select two-step verification. Click on Turn On. This will allow you to set in the PIN that you wish. Confirm your PIN. You can add an email address to help you recover your PIN if you ever forget it. A PIN has been sent to the email address you have provided. You will need to go to the email to get the PIN. And that's it. Now your password has an extra layer of protection. Don't wait till the hackers come knocking. Lock it down today. No stress, just tech with Malamar Tech. Thank you.